How's it going, campers? So in this video, we're gonna show you how we tear down this pop-up trailer. One of the things that you commonly see is how to set up the trailers, but there's not that many videos on how to actually tear it down and how long it takes from the moment you start to the moment you get hitched up to the car and you get to go. So we're gonna try to do this in a live take. Right now it is 11:50. So let's get started. So the first thing we're gonna do inside here is start tearing down the bed sheets. There's a few small things that we already put away earlier, but it doesn't really affect that much timing. So let's go, let's get started. So today we're gonna be taking off all these sheets. We wanna do a good clean and wash everything. If you saw our other video on how we actually organize everything, you're gonna see that this is a multi-purpose bin. We use it to bring our food when we get here. When we leave and it's empty, we use it to put it all of our sheets. So this is how it looks like when we're ready to pop down those sides. Okay, now we're gonna be putting all the decorations away inside of these storage bins over here. Before you do this, we gotta put the other thing on from outside. So now that the stove is over here, we can drop this table just like this.
And this is how this converts into a bed as well.
And this bin goes in this area here. Okay, the fridge we already turned off, so now we're just gonna put a cloth in there to let it absorb any more moisture. And then for the next trip, we turn it on the night before so everything gets cold.
These cloths are gonna be washed.
Yeah. At the end of the trip, we usually use these wet cloths to just wipe anything else down, and then we all throw them in the washing machine when we get home. These are all things that need to go out. Okay, so all of these soaps over here, we like to keep right in this area. We'll just store it there like that. That will close. Okay, so the next thing we gotta do is close down all these windows. We don't like to travel with the windows open in case anything gets teared or gets ripped. So we're gonna do that next. One of our tips for camper organization is multi-purpose items. So these pillows are an example of something that's great for decoration, but also something that we use to help us when we're traveling. So in this area, we keep all of our plates and bowls and cooking stuff. So we shove these inside of here to prevent them from all falling out when we're driving. Okay, so the next thing we're gonna do is drop this and fold it over. Actually, before we do that, I forgot, we gotta empty out the water tank. So we're gonna let the water run for a little bit until the tank empties. It's a little bit easier letting it go this way than having to drain it from the other side. Okay, so now that the water lines are drained, we're gonna just do a quick wipe so nothing pours over, and then we'll flip this. So before you flip anything, make sure you take the stuff out of here, otherwise it's gonna flip and make a big mess. That just happened to us. Okay, so now that this is flipped over, we're gonna start putting some of our coffee machines in this area. As long as it doesn't go on top of here, we're fine because that will eventually slide over. Okay, so this is what it looks like afterwards. We store all that. So the last thing we gotta do inside is take off these metal hangers which keep the bed from holding its frame. So you just pull down and it falls like that.
Okay, so for the outside, I unplugged the power cord and folded it. And now we're going to undo all of these. There's quite a bit of them. And let's go all the way around and do that.
finished everything inside. We just came out. We did the power cord so far. We're taking these little brackets off, just like this. One, and we got two. These things, we make sure there's no bugs on them, and then we store them underneath the bed. Just like that. That's one. Let's go do the other side. Forgot to take the travel door off. There we go. That number 2. Next thing we got to do is take this door down. It's pretty easy. You just, actually Mir did this already. Take all the Velcro off. You go on the inside. Bye-bye. That's it. This is the second one, and that's done. And now we're basically ready to drop the trailer. So right before we drop it, we're gonna take off the safeties. There's one here and then one on the other side. Once we take that off, we push the button and we're going down. Shove the rest of this in, and we'll continue dropping it. Okay, so we just put away the barbecue that was over there. We did a little bit more. The time right now is 12:30, so it's been about 40 minutes. So we should be able to get most of the other stuff done in probably the next 10 minutes or so, and then we'll be off. So we just finished putting away the camper. Now all we gotta do is hitch up. It's about 12:45. Okay, so we just finished everything. The trailer's hitched up. We're ready to go home now. It is exactly 12:53, so that took us about 1 hour to do. So that's how you tear down the camper. So if you enjoyed this video, give us a thumbs up and subscribe. See you next time.